Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter perimeter and area of rectangle and squares. Okay, perimeter and area of rectangle and squares. Good morning. Perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of all sides of a rectangle. Here A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Length of the rectangle is equal to L units, and if breadth of the rectangle is equal to B units, then perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B units, and area, the shaded region is the area of the rectangle. Okay, and the area of the rectangle is equal to LB square units. Clear? Which exercise? Somdatta Panja, which exercise? The last exercise is removed from your syllabus. Okay. Exercise 12.4 is not in your syllabus. Okay, Somdatta, 12.4 is not in your syllabus. Okay. Therefore, area of the rectangle is equal to LB square units, and perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, in the next class, I will repeat the project topic. Okay, Somdatta, your project topic is algebraic expression. Next, perimeter and area of a square. Perimeter and area of a square. Here A, B, C, D is a square of each side a unit. Here A, B, C, D is a square of side a unit. Therefore, perimeter of the square is the sum of all its sides. Therefore, the chapter perimeter and area of rectangle and square, chapter 11. Okay, chapter 11. Okay, perimeter is the sum of all its sides. Therefore, tell me perimeter of the square. Is equal to 4a, because each side is equal to a unit. Therefore, perimeter of the square is equal to 4a units, and area of the square is equal to a square unit. The shaded region is the area of the square. Area measures the inside space of a shape. Okay? Yes, side whole square. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay. Now we will do the exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. Question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Here it is given that the perimeter of the square park is perimeter of the square park is 320 meter. We all know that if the length of the each side is equal to a, therefore, perimeter of the square is 4a. The length of the side is equal to a unit. Therefore, by given condition 4a is equal to 320 or a is equal to 80. Therefore, length of the side of the square is equal to 80 meter. Now, area of the square is equal to side whole square, that is 80 square. And therefore, the answer is 6,400 meters square. Yes, Saptarshi, the answer is 6,400 meters square. Since the length of the side is equal to 80, therefore, area of the square is equal to 80 square, that is 6,400 meters square. Next, question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Here the area and the length of the rectangular plot are given, we have to find the breadth and perimeter of the rectangular plot. Let the breadth of the rectangular plot is equal to B unit. Now it is given that area is equal to 440 meter square and the length L is equal to 22 meter. We all know that the area formula is L into B and this is equal to 440. Since L is equal to 22, we put the value of L or B is equal to 20. Therefore, the breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. Now, the perimeter of the rectangular plot is equal to 2 into L plus B. The formula is 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 22 plus 20. And the final answer is 84 meter. And the final answer is 84 meter. Saptarshi, the unit will be meter. Breadth is equal to 20 meter and perimeter is equal to 84 meter. The spelling of breadth is wrong. Saptarshi, check the spelling. Okay. Next, question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 semi. If its length is 35 semi, find its breadth and also find its area. Here the perimeter and the length of the rectangular sheet are given. We have to find the breadth and area of the rectangular sheet. Let the breadth of the rectangular sheet is equal to B semi. Also it is given that the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is equal to 100 semi and the length is equal to 35 semi. We all know that the perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B and this is equal to 100 or 2 into 35 plus B is equal to 100 or B is equal to 15 semi. Therefore, the breadth of the rectangular sheet is equal to 15 semi and area of the rectangular sheet is LB semi square, that is 35 into 15 semi square, that is 525 semi square. Clear? Riazuddin, please turn off your front camera.